index notation. Here we have 2 to the power of 3, or we could say this is 2 cubed. So the 2, the large number, is the base. This whole expression here is the power, and the exponent here can also be labeled as the index. That's the little number 3. So when we're talking about index notation, 2 to the power of 3, for instance, what we're saying is 2 times itself 3 times. So if the expression, the power, said a to the power of n, that would be a multiplied by itself n times. So if n in this case was 2, then it would be there would be 2 a's here, a times a. If n was 5, then you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a's here. So the exponent is however many times the base is written out. So the base is multiplied by itself this many times, the index of the exponent. Let's calculate first 2 to the power of 4. So we can write this out. This means 2 times itself 4 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So this equals 16. 7 to the power of 3. This means 7 times itself 3 times. So 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 7, you might have to write that long multiplication on the side, and it comes out to 343. 10 to the power of 5. This means 10 times itself 5 times. So this will be rather large. 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000, times 10 is 10,000, times 10 is 100,000. So 10 to the power of 5 is 100,000. You see, it doesn't take long for the number to get very large. So let's write these statements, filling in the missing numbers. So 32 equals 2 to the power of something. So what that means is 2 times itself, how many times, will give us 32. So we'll just write out 2 times itself, keep a tally of what the total is, and then see how many we need. So 2 times 2, that's where we start. So this is 2 times, that gives us 4. Times 2, that's 3 times, that gives us 8. Times 2, that's 4 times, that gives us 16. And times 2, that's 5 times, and that will give us 32. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the power of 5 gives us 32. And let's do the same thing here with a million. So we're going to write 10, multiply it by itself however many times until we get the number that we want. So 10 times 10 is 100, that's twice. Now times 10 3 times, 100 times 10 is 1,000. Another 10 is 10,000. Another 10 is 100,000. Another 10 is a million. So we count up our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the power of 6 gives us 1 million.